In Excel, a couple of basic functions that are used frequently are the sum function and the average function. In our example here, we have the quantity sold by different people. And in this case, we want to get the total of the quantity of cookie boxes sold. In this case, we can use the sum function, which will add the numbers in a series. There are several different ways that you can enter the sum function. You can go to the cell where you want to insert the formula, go to the sum function here, and click on the button. Double check and make sure that it is assuming the correct cells that it will add. Sometimes it does not. If it does not, let's just say we want to only add the first 5. You just need to re-highlight the data so that it enters the correct range. I want to add all of these. So once I do that, I press enter and it enters the sum function there. If I want to get a total of the amount sold of the cookies, I can do this in a different way. I can highlight the data here that I want to add, and when I click on the sum function, it finds the next available cell and includes the sum function there. The other way that you can enter this is to type in the function equal sum and then the parentheses, highlight the cells, and you can press enter from there. The average function is the same in order of how you can complete it and insert the formula. The average will take the numbers in a list and add those together and divide by the number of the items in the list. Again, let's go in. I'm going to click on the cell where I want to insert the formula. Click on the drop-down arrow with the sum function and go to average. And here, be careful because it's including the sum, which is going to skew your number in the average if you include that. So I'm going to re-highlight only what I need and press enter. Now the amount sold, we'll do this the same way. I'm going to highlight just the numbers sold like we did last time for the quantity sold. And if we go to the average function, notice it found the first available cell and included the average there. It did not overwrite that sum function. And you can also type the average function in like we did with the sum. And notice that the average function is spelled average, it's not AVG.